Mikey.
Harris. Viper 01, runway 22 right, wind calm, clear for takeoff, change of departure.
Viper 01, clear for takeoff, 22 right, push 4. All right.
Hammer 62, report look, you are 2 to left shot.
Ready, my friend?
I'm ready to rock and roll.
Shoot, shoot.
Chew, chew.
Freedom inbound.
Here we go.
Send it.
There's some acceleration.
Yeah, just a little bit. Feels like we're running at a great pace.
This thing has got some serious pickup.
Yeah, it's basically like an A10, just
Level
slightly
3 after
faster.
completing low approach, cross departure and at or below 1,000, climb maintain 3,000, fly runway heading.
Altitude.
Wave to your
Altitude.
Departure and at or below 1,000, and then runway heading up to 3,000.
Hey-o. Good morning, Viper. 01 passive. 0,000.
Cool.
Viper 01, shall approach.
Caution.
Contact.
Viper 01,
Caution.
park guided. Viper 01 with the flash.
Oh, yep.
Viper 01, radar contact, top off, southwest of Shaw, climb maintain 6,000.
Viper 01, maintain 10,000, proceed direct for 6 air 6,000.
Viper 01, 10,000, look for surface 18.
I forgot what this felt like. Whew.
So much freedom. You doing good?
Oh yeah, I'm good.
That was 8.0, so yeah, that's a good start.
Viper 01, contact RCO.
Viper switching.
Oh wow, yeah, I definitely forgot about this. Cool.
What's that, Viper 01?
Viper 01, point sector, ladder clear, check altimeter 3019er. Cleared on range surface, flight level 230.
Viper surface 230, thanks. All right, my friend, doing good?
Doing good.
All right, we're gonna accelerate out here for an over the crowd pass.
All right.
There'll be a few G's that come our way.
Let's do some freedom.
Freedom. It's mostly just gonna hurt all over.
I like it.
Ready?
Ready.
Here we go. On time, good G.
Viper, verify single shift, sir.
Viper single ship tail number 910463, Colt. How you doing?
Doing good.
All right.
Viper, verify single shift.
Viper single ship confirm.
Warning, warning.
Reposition. Oh, that's cool. I really missed that.
Still
Altitude.
feeling good?
Oh yeah,
Altitude.
Well, you got 9.3 so far, so that's pretty good.
that's cool.
You know, it's a start.
I keep forgetting to flex my legs. This
Yeah, you're going to want to do that, or just not do it at all.
this G-suit's really tight.
How about we roll some?
All right.
And
There's
we're
one.
rolling, and rolling, and rolling, and stopping, and violence.
Violence. Oh yeah.
Man radius.
Man radius. Oh. A little bit of violence.
A little bit of violence, and inbound.
Oh yeah. Oh, cool.
So pretty. Hang upside down for a second. Maybe 2. Maybe 3. And we're rolling.
Oh yeah.
Altitude. Altitude.
Just need more speed.
Need more speed.
Still doing good?
I'm doing good. I'm looking at the HUD repeater doing that thing again.
Oh.
The HUD footage, the HUD symbology is good.
Uh-huh.
I'll keep talking. I got this. Hang upside down, wave to the crowd.
Wave aggressively, both sides.
Aggressive waving. And we're waving. I'm literally hanging. Oh,
Still good?
oh yeah.
A little falcon turn coming our way.
All right, I like this one. It looks really cool from the ground anyway.
Here we go. Get it nice and slow.
Yeah.
I'll hang upside down for a second,
Okie dokie.
and then we'll roll around. We'll slow it down.
Warning.
All right.
Warning, warning. Warning, warning. Warning, warning. Warning, warning.
See how slow we can get it. It's 103 in the bottom right hand corner there. Pretty slow. All right, let's rock and launch out of this. It just really does not like that.
Not at all.
Hey, Fitch.
Altitude. Altitude.
How you doing?
Oh, I'm golden. I'm really enjoying this.
Yeah, good. See, I told you it wouldn't be so bad.
Oh, yeah.
This part will kind of suck a little bit, but you know, other than that,
Ah,
wave to the crowd.
waving to the crowd.
All right.
Altitude. Altitude.
Now, it's time.
I'm ready. What is it time for? What's next? Fuck, turn knife edge. Dedication. Ugh.
Yep, you guessed it, my friend.
All right.
How you feeling?
Ready.
Yeah, are you?
Yep.
Really, really ready?
Yep.
Really?
Yep.
Okay. Guess we're just gonna have to send it here.
Full send.
Yeah, we'll get a few knots. And coming left, ready, here we go. Oh, this jet does not want to pull, 9.5.
Well, I guarantee you one thing, though. I definitely lost vision.
Yeah, well, it was a solid 9.5 Gs all the way around.
Woo!
How about we drop low?
Ready.
All right.
Altitude.
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 She's always yelling.
Cool.
Get a little max climb out of this one.
All right. All the way up?
Yeah, I think we should go all the way up.
I think we should go all the way up. Cool.
Altitude.
See, they're building a whole new
Altitude.
street back there in my neighborhood.
Huh.
Yeah, look at that.
Altitude. Altitude.
Touchdown. Hey, no.
All
Altitude.
the way up.
Altitude.
hello to Louis' soul. I think it's, oh, there it is. Hey, Louis.
Hey, Louis. Oh, I see him. I see Louis. Huh. It was good seeing him.
Yeah. Great guy.
He should probably come up here and get his soul back.
Did you hear that, Louis?
Louis, how are you?
How are you? All right, how you feeling?
Good.
All right, sweet. We're gonna drop it down a little lower, and then we'll just do some turns, all right? Nice and slow, and you're gonna get to practice. So like I said, I got the throttle.
Okay.
Let you try maneuvering. So, when you're ready, you have a stick.
My aircraft. All right, so I'm gonna go left.
Cool.
And pull, right?
Yeah, so just imagine the nose and drag it with the horizon, or just drag along the horizon.
All right, going now.
There you go, nice, keep the pull going, so a little shaky. All right, roll out. Cool. Dip the nose down, so see more green than blue. We'll get some airspeed here. Yeah, there you go. Yeah.
Okay.
Start a nice, easy left-hand turn, nothing crazy. Kind of back towards that big brown patch right there. All right.
Easy.
There you go, that's a 4G pull. Boom, roll out. All right, let's try another one. See the lake over there?
Yep.
So I just want you to turn and point towards the lake.
Okay.
And then you're gonna go right and then back the other direction.
Okay, you ready?
Ready to do it? Nice. Hey, hello.
And then right?
Yep, and then go right. Keep going, keep going.
Oh,
A lot of blue sky there. So.
Sorry. And now?
Roll out. Yep.
Warning, warning, warning,
Nice,
warning.
so you got the aircraft.
Oh, shit.
How you doing?
Doing good.
Yeah, nice. That was like an 8-7 pull.
We slowed down a lot.
Yeah, so you saw that blue sky?
Yeah.
Get the nose way up.
Oh,
So that's when you'll reset and see more green. That's those little small changes I was talking about.
okay.
Bingo. Bingo.
Are you flying or am I?
I'm flying.
Okay.
You get turn around here and then try a fast one. And then we'll have gas to do, we're going to go low again or we can do another maneuver. The choice is yours.
Let's see, what do I want to do?
All right, are you ready to fly?
Okay, ready.
All right, you have the aircraft.
All right, left turn.
Sounds good.
Ready, now.
Send it.
So,
Send it.
Oh, come on. And go.
Nice. All right, I have the aircraft.
What was that?
I have the aircraft.
How high did I get it?
9-3, I got the aircraft.
There's it.
Yeah, 9-3, nice pull. That was pretty level too. All right, what do you want to do?
Okay, let's do, let's see, what do I like? Can we do a, Falcon turn?
Yeah, you bet.
I kind of like that one.
Turn around the fat part of the airspace here. All right, ready?
Ready. Target on my back, something, something, something.
Nailed it. Points at Viper 01, we're looking to RTB, and 3, Mike, and looking to go straight to inside
Altitude.
down.
Altitude.
I don't know about you, but I'm sweating.
Are you?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's probably natural, you know, given the fact that you don't
Altitude.
use it on a daily basis.
Altitude.
Probably.
Bingo. Bingo.
Copy that one.
Altitude. 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 Altitude.
And Viper 01.9.
Go for Viper.
Roger, approach device is enabled to start downwind. South or east departure, your discretion at 3,000.
Depart southeast departure.
South or east.
Viper will be departing east 3000. I'll see you tomorrow.
Altitude.
Let me know when
Altitude.
contact your arrival on channel 17.
Viper, good to see you.
The hay bales out related with fogies.
Flight 32, traffic 10 miles south of Shaw. Single F-16 will be landing Shaw at 3,000. Should be passing over you.
Departure Viper 01. Arrival Viper 01 to at 3000.
Flight 32, radar service terminated. South departure, advise your frequency break. Viper 01, Shaw arrival, radar contact 8 miles southeast of Shaw, same attention.
Viper 01 has Shaw on sight. Let's go to a left base for runway 22 right.
Viper 01, roger, speed as requested, stand by for time.
Viper 01. Nice work, my friend.
That was fun. That is awesome.
Glad we could do it.
Viper 01, contact her.
Viper switching.
There is nothing like this at all.
Yeah, that's pretty awesome, especially a day like today. You can see Columbia all the way out there at about 10 o'clock, 9 o'clock.
Altitude. Altitude.
Our Viper 01 to 7.7 miles to the east for a left base for runway 22 right.
Viper 01, Shaw Tower, port left base, runway 22 right.
Viper 01, left base 22 right. Alright. Would you like to do one close pattern?
Ooh, something fast?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, cool.
We have gas for it?
We do.
Okay.
Right at it.
Copy.
Over there to the right, you can see Sumter Municipal, where Adam has terrorized the people there for so long.
That's Adam's little Cessna.
Yeah, probably parked incorrectly.
Does Adam do high-speed passes?
Yeah. It's a unique thing in the 172, but...
Uh-huh.
Viper 01's left base, gear low approach, 22 right.
Viper 01, runway 22 right, wind 070 at 3, clear to approach.
Viper 01 to low approach, 22 right.
Always try to spot out my neighborhood.
Yeah, it's right off the nose here, 11 o'clock, right?
Yes, should be.
Viper 01, will you be requesting at the post?
Viper negative, just one close to stop.
There it is, there's my house.
Viper 01, roger, thanks.
Wait, is that? Yes. That's me right there, no one's home. My trash can is still out.
See, it's good to be able to have an F-16 that you can just check on your own house.
I just flew over my house in an F-16. Huh. That's kind of cool.
Down 3 green and 22 right, low approach.
All right.
Altitude. Altitude. Caution. Caution.
That's 300.
Viper 01, request close, stop.
Viper 01, right close, traffic 3, port base, runway 22 right.
Viper 01.
I saw the dudes out there.
So, all waving and cheering.
Yep.
All right.
So cool. Thank you, Rain.
Oh, thank you. Glad we could do this.
So
That's what it's
glad.
all about. All right, down 3 green. Drive into the wind here a little bit. Viper 01, right base gear, stop, 22 right.
Viper 01, runway 22 right, wind 050 at 4, clear to land.
Viper 01, clear to land, 22 right. All right, gear down, 3 green, clear to land, 22 right. Down 3 green. All right, welcome back.
Welcome back to Earth. I think some of the guys, when they're in this back seat, they're going to be real funny to watch.
I 100% agree.
I think it's going to be awesome. I just really enjoy it.
It's good times. All right. My seat is safe up front.
You want to save mine?
Yep, you go ahead and save yours.
Seat is safe. So, am I next year's demo pilot or no?
We'll go watch the tapes.
Okay.
Man,
all
it
right.
felt like it was a pretty good ride. Just want to make sure.
I don't want to break the news to Sis. She's going to be really disappointed.
Yeah, it's going to be probably soul crushing. I'll be a bro and go all the way down so I don't merge with this guy. Look at me just looking out for maintainers.
People helping people.
Yep.
Tower, Nugget 5-1, east of pond for initial.
Nugget 5-1, Shaw Tower, 4 pond.
Nugget 5-1, welcome.
But now all the EOR crew's coming out, so sorry.
Oh, hey guys. We're going to drive right by you.
We're gonna wave at you.
There's nothing on this jet.